solve y into dx minus x dy plus 1 plus x square into dx plus x square sin y dy equal to 0. Okay. So this problem is solved by using inspection method. Okay. By terms rearranging, you can observe the problem. So y dx minus x dy, okay, plus 1 plus x square into dx. Here you observe we have an x square. So dy term and x square, you have to eliminate this x square. So multiply entire equation with x square. So take first two terms as one term. So multiply with 1 by x square. This is a x alone function, so that you divide with x square plus sin y dy. Okay. So by rearranging by inspection method, we are rearranging the entire terms so that we have this form. So this is nothing but, again you rewrite, minus of x dy minus y dx by x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx plus sin y dy, okay, equal to 0. So this is nothing but the derivative of x by y by x, okay, plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx plus sin y dy, okay. Integration on both sides, take integration on both sides, okay. So integration on both sides. So we have minus integral of d of y by x plus integral of 1 by x square plus 1 of dx plus integral of sin y dy equal to constant c. Okay. So integration derivative get cancelled. It is a minus of y by x. Okay. Plus integral of 1 by x square. 1 by x square means x to the power of minus 2. Integral of x power minus 2 is x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus integral of 1, that is x, plus integral of sin y is minus cos y equal to c. Okay. So that we have minus y by x minus, okay, 1 by x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So that we are writing 1 by x plus x minus cos y equal to c is the required solution of given differential equation. Solve e to the power of y dx plus x into e power y plus 2y into dy equal to 0. Okay, this is a non-exact differential equation, no doubt. Using inspection method, that means you can rearrange the terms and find the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so rewrite e to the power of y dx plus x into e to the power of y dy, okay, plus 2y dy equal to 0. Okay, so here you observe, okay, so derivative of x is 1, so into dx, and the derivative of e to the power of y is e to the power of y dy. So first term and second term together, you can write derivative of x in, so 1 and 2 terms, first and second terms you observe, okay, it is a derivative of x into e to the power of y plus 2y dy equal to 0. Okay, so again integration on both sides. Integral of d of x e power y plus 2 into integral of y dy equal to constant c. Okay, so integration derivative get cancelled. X into e to the power of y plus 2 times y square by 2 equal to c. Okay, 2 to get cancelled again. So x into e to the power of y plus y square equal to c is the required solution of a given differential equation. Yourself, okay, using inspection method, just you rearrange the terms and solve with the help of your knowledge. Okay, solve by inspection method these two problems at your homes. Solve x square y minus 2x y square dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y dy equal to 0. Okay, this is m dx plus this is n dy equal to 0. Okay, where m equal to x square y minus 2x y square. Okay, find dou m by dou y value. Okay, so x square minus 2 y square derivative is 2y, so 2xy. Okay, n equal to minus of x cube minus 3x square y. This is n. Okay, n equal to this one. So dou n by dou x equal to minus of 3x square minus 6xy. So clearly dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, therefore dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, so using 2, we conclude our problem is non-exact differential equation. Okay, so equation 1 is non-exact differential equation. Okay, and also you observe dy by dx from equation 1. From equation 1, dy by dx is equal to, okay, minus of x square y minus 2xy square by minus of x cube minus 3x square y. Okay, so minus minus get cancelled. Again we are observing here by taking k, x equal to kx and y equal to ky, k cube is common here. Here also by taking x equal to k and y equal to ky, by here also k cube is common. Denominator is also x cube k square common, and x square kx whole square and ky. So k cube common. K cube by k cube common. Or you can consider, you can observe powers of this term is 3, this term is 3, this term is 3, this term is also 3. So the entire term, entire function, this function f of x comma y is 0 degree function. Okay, since it is a 0 degree function, entire differential equation is, this differential equation is, okay, equation is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, we know if the differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation and a non-exact differential equation, then the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Okay, so that you can consider mx plus ny. Okay, mx plus ny means you can multiply here x cube y minus 2x square y square. Okay, plus, so that it is, here is minus, so that minus plus, or you can take minus y x cube minus of plus 3x square y square. Okay, so observe x cube y, this is also x cube y, so plus x cube y minus x cube y get cancelled. It is a minus 2 times x square y square plus 3 times x square y square, so that x square y square, this is not equal to 0. Then integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny, so that it is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. Say it is equation 3. Okay, since integrating factor is 1 by x square into y square. Okay, integrating factor means it helps non-exact differential equation into exact differential equation, so that you can multiply equation 1 with the factor 1 by x square y square. Okay, so multiply equation 1 with 1 by x square y square on both sides. So we have x square y square y minus 2x y square by x square y square dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y by x square y square dy equal to 0. This is equation 4. So we have new differential equation. This new differential equation in the form of, you can say, this is a capital M1 dx and this is a capital N1 dy. Okay, where capital M1 equal to x square y minus 2xy square by x square y square, and capital N1 equal to minus of this term x cube minus 3x square y by x square y square. Okay, so again you verify dou m1 by dou y, dou n1 by dou x. Okay, so take dou m1 by, again you rearrange the terms. So x square get cancelled, y get cancelled, 1 by y first term minus 2 times x cancelled, y square get cancelled, minus 2 by x, and n1 equal to, okay, minus of x square get cancelled, x by y square minus 3 times x square get cancelled, y get cancelled, 3 by y. Okay, so check it. Dou m1 by dou y. So only with respect to y in differentiation, 1 by y, that is 1 by y square minus 0, because it is an excellent function, comma, dou n1 by dou x is equal to, okay, minus of x in derivative is 1 by y square, this term is y, so that this is 0, so equal to minus 1 by y square. Very clear, dou m by dou y, therefore dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x equal to minus 1 by y square. Okay, very clear. Equation 4 is an exact differential equation. Therefore, we conclude equation 4 is an exact differential equation. Okay, we know the solution of exact differential equation, that is, general solution is integral of m1 dx. Here y terms are constant terms plus integral of terms of n1 not containing x, okay, into dy, okay, simply y alone function equal to constant c. Okay, so that integral of m1, so integral of, where m1 is 1 by y minus 2 by x of dx, okay, plus terms of n1 not containing x, except x terms of n1. You observe n1, first term is x by y square, so that you can avoid x by y square. Second term is minus of minus of plus 3 by y, so take only y term, that is 3 by y from n1 of dy equal to constant c. Okay, so here the terms are, y terms are constant terms, so that integral of 1 into dx, so here is we have x by y minus 2 into 1 by x integration is log x plus 3 into 1 by y integration is log y equal to c, is the required general solution of equation 1. Problem 1. X square y, observe the power, 2 plus 1 3, minus of x cube 3 and y cube 3. Okay, by taking k cube by k cube, it is 0. Homogeneous and non-exact. Similarly, y cube, so 3, so y into x square power 3, so 2x into y square power 3 and x cube also power 3. This is also homogeneous differential equation and also non-exact. Okay, so using this method, you can solve these two problems at your homes. Solve y into x square plus xy plus 1 dx, x into x square minus xy plus 1 and dy. Just you observe y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy equal to 0 form. Okay, so and m equal to here m equal to y into x square y plus xy plus 1, and you find dou m by dou y equal to, okay, so x square 2 x square y plus 2 xy plus 1, and n equal to x into x square y square minus xy plus 1. Okay, so find dou n by dou x. Okay, so it is x cube, so that 3 x square y square minus 2 x square y plus 1. Okay, so clearly dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So equation 1, equation 2, using equation 2, equation 1 is an exact equation, clear, non-exact equation. Okay, so clearly equation 1 is non-exact differential equation, non-exact. So it is a non-exact differential equation, and of the form y into f of xy dx and x into g of xy into dy. So that consider mx minus ny. Okay, so it is equal to mx minus ny, right? xy, so x cube y cube plus x square y square plus xy. Okay, by multiplication with x to the first term, and take minus y into this term. Okay, so x cube y cube minus of minus, minus of minus a plus. Okay, x square y square. Okay, this is minus of minus plus minus xy. Okay, x cube y cube get cancelled. X square y square, xy and xy get cancelled. So we have 2 times x square y square. Okay, 2 times x square y square. So this is not equal to 0. So when it is not equal to 0, 1 by mx minus ny equal to 1 by 2 into x square y square is our integrating factor. Integrating factor. Okay, so this is equation 3. It is equation 3. Multiply equation 3 to equation 1. Okay, by multiplication, this is non-exact converted to exact differential equation by multiplication of integrating factor. Okay, so multiplying equation 1 with integrating factor 1 by x square y square on both sides. So equation 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes, okay, y into x square y square plus xy plus 1 by x square y square into dx plus x into x square y square minus xy plus 1 by x square y square dy equal to 0. Okay, so rearrange the terms. Okay, multiply with individual term with x square y square both in both the terms. So x square y square get cancelled. First term is y plus x get cancelled. So 1 by x, and y square get cancelled. So it is 1 by x plus y get cancelled. So 1 by x square y. This is dx. Plus similarly multiplied by x square y square to each term. X square y square get cancelled. We have only x square here, x here, minus x square get cancelled, y get cancelled, minus 1 by y plus, okay, x by x square plus y square. X get cancelled, 1 by x y square of dy equal to 0. So we have new differential equation. This new differential equation, so say this is a capital M1 and this is a capital N1. Okay, and again you verify dou m1 by dou y. So with respect to y, take partial differentiation. So dou m by dou y means it is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 by x square is a constant. So 1 by y derivative minus 1 by y square. So that it is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square y square. Next, similarly, take dou n1 by dou x is equal to, okay, with respect to x 1 minus 0, derivative with respect to x here, 1 minus 0 plus, okay, 1 by y square constant, here 1 by y square is constant, 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So it is equal to 1 minus 1 by, okay, x square plus y square. Very clear. 1 minus 1 by x square plus y square, 1 minus 1 by x square y square, x square y square here. So in the both the cases, these two are equal. Therefore, dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x equal to 1 minus 1 by x square minus x square into y square. Okay. So very clear. So equation 1, 2, 3, say it is 4. Equation 4 is an exact equation. So equation 4 is an exact differential equation. Okay, equation 4 is an exact differential equation. We know the solution for exact differential equation is integral of m dx, y terms are constant here, plus integral of terms of n1 not containing x. Okay, so y alone dy equal to c. Okay, so take m1 here and n1 here. Okay, so integral of m1 to y plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square y dx plus integral of terms of n1 not containing x. Okay, c. Not containing x term. First term is not considered. Minus 1 by y considered. Last term is 1 by x y square. It is also not considered. So our considering term is minus 1 by y. Minus 1 by y into dy equal to c. Okay. Integration here y terms are constant terms. So that y into x plus log x 1 by x, integration is log x plus 1 by y constant, x power minus x power minus, this is 1 by x square, so x power minus 2 integration x power minus 2 plus 1, so x power minus 1 by minus 1, so write 1 by x. Okay, minus 1 by y derivative, 1 by y integration is log of y equal to c. Again we are rewriting xy plus log x minus 1 by xy minus log y equal to c is the required general solution of given equation. Try yourself. Okay, solve y into x square y square plus 2. So y into f of xy function, x into 2 minus 2 x square y square. This is also x into g of xy function. And y into xy sin xy plus cos xy. So this is also y into f of xy function. And x into xy sin xy minus cos xy. This is also x into g of xy function. Okay. So try your side at your homes. Now solve x square plus y square plus x into dx plus xy into dy. Okay. So m dx plus n dy equal to 0 form. Okay. So here m equal to x square plus y square plus x and n equal to xy. Clear? Okay. So again you observe dou m by dou y equal to 0 plus 2x 2y plus 0. Dou n by dou x equal to y. Okay. So 2y not equal to y. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Okay. Since it is not satisfied, equation 1 is non-exact differential equation. Therefore, equation 1 is non-exact differential equation. Okay. And also you observe the subtraction of these two terms, dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to 2y minus y equal to y. Okay. Okay. This is y function. Then you observe n equal to xy. By multiplication with xy to this term, y get cancelled. We have 1 by x. So x alone term. So that consider 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. That is equal to 1 by xy into y. Okay. Y get cancelled equal to 1 by x. Okay. By model 4, 1 by x is x alone function. Say this is equal to f of x. Then integrating factor is e to the power of integral of f of x dx. That is equal to e to the power of integral of 1 by x dx equal to e to the power of log x. Okay, log x base e. So e to the power of base and power. Okay, e equal. So it is equal to x. Okay. So integrating factor is x. Okay. As we know, the solution for this one is, okay, multiply 1, 2, 3, 3. Multiply equation 1 with the integrating factor. Okay. Equation 1 with integrating factor x. Okay. Then we have equation 1 becomes x into x square plus y square plus x dx plus x into xy dy equal to 0. Again you rewrite x cube plus xy square plus x square of dx plus x square y dy equal to 0. Okay, this is equation 4. New differential equations say capital M1 dx capital N1 dy equal to 0. Okay, so here M1 equal to x cube xy square plus x square. Okay, so again you verify dou m1 by dou y, dou m1 by dou y equal to 0. Second term is 2 times xy plus 0. Okay, n1 equal to x square y equal to dou n1 by dou x equal to 2 into x square derivative xy. Okay, 2xy both are same. Okay, therefore dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x equal to 2xy. Okay, so that equation 4 exact differential equation. Very clear. Equation 4 is an exact differential equation. Okay, so equation 4 is exact differential equation. We know the exact differential equation solution, integral of, okay, m1 dx. Here y terms are constant, plus integral of terms of n1 not containing x. Okay, so terms of n1 not containing x of dx equal to of dy equal to 0. Okay, so y you consider y alone function here. So integral of m1 term x cube plus x into y square plus x square of dx plus terms of n1 not containing x. N1 value is n1 value is x square y, but it containing x square, so that integral of this term is 0, dy equal to constant c. So integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4 plus y terms are constant, so that y square is constant. X square integration is x square by 2. So x square y square by 2 plus x square integration is x cube by 3. Okay, this is 0, or you can take it is a constant, equal to c. Okay, this is the required general solution. Okay, required solution for equation 1. Solve x square plus y square plus 2x dx plus 2y dy equal to 0. Second one, x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy equal to 0. 2x y power 4 e power x plus 2x y cube plus y dx plus x square y power 4 e power y minus x square y square minus 3x dy equal to 0. Okay. So this is capital M dx and this is capital N dy equal to 0. Okay. Here we know m equal to 2x e power 2x y to the power of 4 e to the power of y plus 2x y cube plus y. Okay. So as per our requirement, we need to find dou m by dou y. Okay. So partial derivative with respect to y here. Okay. So y power 4. So 2x common. So 3 times y cube e power x using e power y using UV method. So this plus y power 4 into e to the power of y. In the second term, this is y cube. So 6 times x y square. So last term is y, so that it is 1. Next, given n equal to x square y power 4 e to the power of y minus x square y square minus 3x. Okay. So the required dou n by dou x. So partial derivative with respect to x here. So x square term here, so that 2x. So 2x y power 4 e to the power of y minus x square 2x y square minus 3. Okay. So consider dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Okay. So this is equal to 2x y power 4 e to the power of y minus 2x y square minus 3 minus, okay, so multiply x with first term, so 6 times x y power 3 e power y, okay, my plus 2x y power 4 e to the power of y plus 6x y square plus 1. Okay, this is y power 4 into 2, so 4 times, and it is 8 times. So please correct it. Okay, this is equal to, again you observe, uh, x power 2x y power 4 e to the power of y, 2x y power 4 e to the power of y. Okay, this is a positive term, this is a negative term, get cancelled. And we have minus 8 times x y cube e power y here, and it is minus 2x y square. Okay, this is also minus of 2x y square, minus 6 times. So minus 2 times, minus 6 times, minus 8 times x y square. Okay, next minus 3, minus of 1, and minus 1. So minus 4. Again you observe minus 4 common. Okay, so we have x 2 times x y cube e to the power of y 2 times x y square plus 1. Okay, again you observe here, okay, capital M value is 2x y power 4 e to the power of y cube e to the power of y term is need here 2x y cube, but here is 2x y square, so y term need here, y and y here. Okay, y term need here, so that you can multiply and divide this term with y. So we have minus 4 by y divided and multiply. So 2x y cube y power 4 e to the power of y plus 2x y cube plus 1. Okay, very clear. This term capital M. This term is a capital M. Okay, this is equal to minus 4 by y into capital M. Okay, therefore 1 by m into, okay, I am rewriting dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to, I am transferring this term capital M left side. 1 by m into dou m by dou x minus dou n by dou y is equal to, we have minus 4 by y. Okay, this is the function of y alone function. Y alone function. Clear? So by method 5, okay, by multiplication of 1 by m and of this term is equal to y alone function, then integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of g of y dy. Okay, so this is equal to e to the power of minus 4 into integral of 1 by y dy. We know e power minus 4 into integral of 1 by y is log y. Log y base e term it is. So that e to the power of log of y to the power of minus 4. Okay. So it is a base e. So that it is equal to y power minus 4. 1 by y power 4 is our integrating factor. 1 by y to the power of 4 is our integrating factor. Okay. So say this is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Multiply equation 1 with equation 2, we have multiply equation 1 with integrating factor, that is 1 by y power 4, okay, on both sides. We have 2xy power 4 e power y plus 2xy cube plus y by y to the power of 4 of dx plus x square y power 4 e power y minus x square y square minus 3x by y power 4 of dy equal to 0. This is equation 3. No differential equation. Say capital M1 dx and capital N1 dy equal to 0. Okay, again you verify. Here M1 equal to, okay, so take individually, you divide with y power 4. So 2x e power y, 2x by y plus 1 by y cube. So dou m1 by dou y equal to 2x constant to e power y, derivative is e power y. So 2x e power y plus 2x into 1 by y, derivative is minus 1 by y square plus y power minus 3. So minus 3 by y power 4. Okay. M1, N1 equal to, multiply with 1 by y power 4, that you divide with each term by y power 4. So we have x square e power 4 e power y e to the power of y minus x square by y square minus 3x by y to the power of 4. Okay, we require dou n1 by dou x is equal to, with respect to x, derivative. So 2x e power y. So with respect to x, derivative minus 2x by y square. With respect to x, derivative minus 3 by y power 4. Okay, so very clear. 2x e power y, 2x e power y, and it is minus 2x by y square minus 2x by y square minus 3 by y power 4 minus 3 by y power 4. Okay, equation 4 and 5 are equal. These two are equal. Okay, very clear. Therefore, dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Okay, we conclude equation 3 is exact differential equation. So that we have exact differential equation solution that is integral of m1 dx. Y terms are a constant here. Integral of terms of n1 not containing x terms. So you can choose only y terms, y alone function, okay, of dy equal to constant c. So what happened we will see. Integral of m1 dx. So take integral of m1 where m1 is 2x e power y plus 2x by y plus 1 by y cube dx plus integral of n1 not containing x. So term 1 containing x, term 2 containing x, term 3 containing x. There is no single y terms, no y alone terms here. So this term is 0. So integral of 0 into dy equal to constant c. Okay. Derivative with respect to x. Okay. Integration with respect to x. 2 into e to the power of y constant x square by 2 x square by 2 plus 2 by y constant x square by 2, okay, 1 by y cube constant integral of 1, it is 1, it is x plus integral of 0, either you take constant or you can add the constant in the c or you take 0 equal to c, okay. So 2 to get cancelled, x square e power y, 2 to get cancelled, x square by y plus x by y cube equal to c is the required solution. Yourself, try yourself, solve x y cube plus y of dx plus 2 times x square y square plus x plus y power 4 dy equal to 0. Second one, 2x y square minus 2y dx plus 3x square y minus 4y dy equal to 0.